Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to send a Google form as an email. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started. So by opening it up in the upper right corner, you can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you don't have one, create one, and if you have a Google account already, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page. Now we can get started from this main page where you can see we can go and get started creating a form. If you do not already have one, if you have one and created your own forms already, you can go and manage them from right here from your recent forms section and so on. So let's go and take a look at what we can do to get started with sending our forms in an email. So first things first, open up your form. If you do not already have it, create it from right here, clicking the plus button. That's going to enable you to create your form. You can give it a name, you can give it a description, input questions, and so on. And as you can see, I've already created my form. So here it is, my tutorial form for a video, which I can now get started with. So let's say I want to send this form as an email or input it into an email. Doesn't matter, do whatever I want with it. Basically guys, I'm going to be doing so using the link. Well, I'm going to go and be able to copy the responder link. That's going to enable me to send the link to anybody I want to access the form. So first things first, publish your form in the upper right corner. Once you have published your form, by clicking the publish button, it's going to turn this form public. So once this form is public, now we can send the link. Here in the upper right corner, you have the copy responder link option. That is going to enable you to copy your link. So once you have published your form, you can copy the link, and now you can input this form wherever you want, into whatever program you want, but basically you can input it into your email. So once you input it into your emails, people will be able to open up the link and access your form, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.